Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Jen with Totally Zen, and today I have received my Diamond Art Club that I purchased on Saturday, I believe. There was another kit that I purchased with this, but I will save that for later. It's an older kit, and when I go to actually kit it up, I will unbox it and do that all in one. But they just released these, and I fell in love with them, so I had to get them. Plus the other kit that I got, it was running low in stock, so I wanted to make sure that I got it because it's a gift that I'm going to get for my husband, and I didn't want it to go out of stock and then not be able to get it because he's really picky on the ones that he likes. So I went ahead and ordered these with it. So of course, because you have to get free shipping, right? Before I get into unboxing these, I just want to say, if you are new here, welcome in. If you are returning, welcome back. If you are new here though, and you love diamond painting, anything and all things diamond painting, from ASMR to unboxing to first looks and post reviews, hit that subscribe button and come back for more, because I do post them, especially if you enjoy minis. I do these on Mondays, so super fun, and I absolutely love them. I did actually get these for the DP Mini March Madness with a few of the content creators here on YouTube and some other platforms. So if you enjoy your minis, it is not too late to join that one. Go ahead and pop on over there to that, and it's on Facebook. I will link it in the description so you can go down there and get more information and the girls that are hosting it. So I did already have my two kits that I was going to use for that event, but I seen these and I was like, I may switch out one of the kits that I'm using, which is the plant one, for one of these two. It'll probably be this one, just because the other one that I'm doing is the roller skate one. So I will probably put this one head to head. And if you don't know, the March Madness one is basically a bracket that you're gonna do, and you're gonna do your diamond kits, and then you're gonna compare the two and figure out which one you like the most to get your winner at the very end. You have to do a minimum of 6, but then you can do any that you wanna do during the event, but the minimum is 6. And I think I did 12 or 18, I don't know. My brain is fried all the time. But on another note, we will go ahead and open these kits, and I will start with this one first. So sea creatures. Also, I did learn a hack for opening these to be able to put this back on. Yes, I watched it from one of the other creators, and I learned that from them. So basically, you're just gonna snip off one of these sides, so then you can slide it off. And I say that and then have issues. That's my life, right? It's because of this box, man. Don't be a pain in my butt. Oh, there we go. So I'll probably not be able to get it back on, but we'll see. So if you've never ordered a mini kit from Diamond Art Club, they are basically like a little snack size for you to do, especially if you like to travel and diamond paint. These are fantastic. I have taken, not Diamond Art Club, but some other ones with me to events that we work, and I have worked on them while I'm there at that event. So they're really, really handy, and I really enjoy them. I'm gonna move this over here. But yeah, so your kit is going to come with your toolkit, and then this just has your instructions inside of it. So we'll pull it up really quick so you can see it. And they have little 20% off codes inside of there as well if you need it. And of course the instructions if you need to know how to diamond paint, but we're way past that now. So we're gonna yeet that over there. And then you do get a separate sheet for your legend stickers and your start date, all of these right here are little bitty stickers as well. So it's super cute. You can put these in your journal if you do your diamond painting journals. And then these you can either kit up on the individual little baggies, or if you put it inside of a small kit, you can put those on your kit as well. So for my mini kits, I usually like to keep them in little baggies just because they're easier to get to. We will only open one toolkit today because they're initially the same toolkit anyway. And I'm making a mess. Go figure. All right, so it comes, ooh, this one. So the last one that I got was a wax pen. And this one is going back to the putty. So I'm wondering if they're just randomly throwing them in kits here and there, whichever ones they decide to kit up with wax or putty. I'm not really sure, but this one came with an extra an extra putty. And then this one is the twist and pick putty pen as well. And if you've never used these before, basically with the Diamond Art Club ones, it twists. So you can twist it off, and then you pull this little plunger out, and then you can refill it with putty if you need more. But to get it going, putty to come out, you're just gonna keep twisting this and twisting it forever. And sometimes you have to use your teeth, which I don't suggest using, but I've seen a lot of people use the teeth, which is really, really bad, to be honest with you. But you literally just keep twisting until it eventually comes out. And I don't know if you can see in that pen tip, it's slowly starting to come out, but it also is a slow draw. So sometimes you'll be twisting, and you're like, it's not coming out. And then you'll end up twisting it too far, and then you'll have so much extra putty coming out. But I do like the twist and pick with the putty more than I like the wax ones. Oh, and your tip, this is not a screw-on tip. It literally is just a pop-on. So don't be like me and just keep trying to screw this off. It's never gonna come off if you try to screw it. And you do get a 4-placer. This is another one of those 4-placers that I don't care much for. The tip tends to bend inward, and it makes it really hard to actually use it to pick up your stuff. All right, so back down here to the rest of our stuff. You do get some baggies to kit up in if you want to use the baggies. If not, that's completely fine too. You will get your sliding tray here with an extra 7-placer. Now, I have not used their 7-placer before, so I am not sure if it has the same tip issue like the smaller one does, but maybe I'll try it on these here next month because we're about to start that DP Mini Madness and see if it works better or not. You do get a huge thing of wax, and your tray just slides on and off. This part will pop up so you can dump your drills back in, and then you slide it back on. I do like their trays. However, I do feel like the inside lines on their trays are a little too big. So it is harder to line the drills up in that kit. All of the drills are specials. Yes. We'll just pick 2 colors that I like the most, and I'll show you them. But they are specials. I do believe these are fairy dust. They are super shiny and glittery, if you can see those. But anywho, we won't go through all of those. I'm going to shove them back in their little baggies so I can stay organized and not lose anything. So we will open up this one and we will go through the little kit and see what we got. So these are the sea creatures. So the first one we have here is a jellyfish. Super, super cute. Make sure you guys can actually see it. That might be handy, huh? So we've got our little blue jellyfish, super cute colors. I love that. And look at this seahorse. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this teal color, and then the purple with it. How adorable. We have this cute little Krabby Crab, and of course it's my favorite color, so I have to love it, right? And we have a purple octopus. It's so cute. I love this guy. This might be the first one I do. I don't know. Gosh, they are really cute. These are probably the first sea creatures that I have like actually seen in mini kits that I actually like. And like a little starfish. How cute. And the little shrimpy shrimp. I don't know. I really do like these. They're probably the sea creatures are probably one of the first ones that I have found in like for mini kits that I like. I am pretty picky when it comes to like the mini kits and what they look like. Like I don't want them to look non-realistic. And it's a diamond painting, so I don't mean like not, it's a diamond painting, so it's not gonna be real. I totally understand that part. But like, I don't want it to look super computer generated. That's what I'm going for. I don't like the computer generated look on some of the diamond paintings. We will pop this back up in there. And here's the true test, y'all. Can I get this back on without breaking it? It is by far one of the things that I wish Diamond Art Club would fix on their mini kits is to have this thing be able to slide on and off. I do really wish they would do that because I don't necessarily work on all of my mini kits at once. So it would be really nice if it would slide on and off. We'll try the opposite side this time. Maybe it'll slide better going to the right. Ooh, it did. Versus the left. All right, we'll put this over here to the side and zoom you out a little bit so you know which kit we're doing. So same thing, we will not go through the kit this time because it's going to be the same exact thing inside of it, but just for craps and giggles, we'll see if it's a putty pen or a wax pen. Oh, look at that. So like I was talking about in the other one, they are just completely randomly throwing in these. So you're either going to get a wax twist and pick or you're going to get a putty twist and pick. So there is no rhyme or reason, I guess, to how they're sending it. But the wax one is basically the exact same essential for the putty one. However, the wax one will come out super fast. So as soon as you start twisting this in, that wax is immediately going to start coming out. So highly suggest don't twist this one super fast because it will come out really quickly and then you've got extra wax just flying out of your pen. So we'll put that up. I'm not gonna go through this one either because it's gonna say the same exact stuff as the other one, your instructions. So again, you have your sticker sheet. So your legend over here with your stickers. And then these are all individual stickers as well for your journaling. And you can put your start and end date on here too. Put that back up in there. And these are the fairy dust as well. So all of those pretty, oh, this one actually has ABs in it as well. So it's fairy dust and ABs. How exciting. That'll be fun to see. And I will do a kit up with these. Probably in the next day or two, I'll do a kit up. So that way you can actually see the drills when we kit them up. And we'll get into the actual canvases. And I kind of got this one too because the very last one in here actually is something that we are doing as a small business. So we'll get into that when we open it though, or when I reveal it, I should say. And look at that. It is a popsicle. So stinking cute. And actually, before we do that, let me get the legend out. So the white part is going to be an AB, and then the rest are the fairy dust. And then here we have a diamond. Same thing, the little whites with the dot in the middle is our AB, and then the rest is fairy dust. That beautiful rainbow. And then we have a really super cute unicorn. And then we have a hot air balloon. And then our last one is a bubblegum machine. So fun fact for us here, me personally, is we do have our own bubblegum machine company. Not like it's huge or anything. We have one currently inside of the local gas station here in our small itty bitty little town. And then we have roughly 6 more to actually send out and place in other places. It is something that we do with our kiddos, so super fun. So I got this, and I've actually been looking at the Diamond Art Club bubblegum machine with fish inside of it because of that exact reason, because it has that little bit of sentimental value in there, and I thought it was kind of cool, and it's super cute, but you know, I can't buy everything I want. But on another note, if you're still here, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. And in the next day or two, I will have this, a video of the kit up for this one, because that DP Mini Monday will be starting on the 1st of March. So I've got to have my stuff kitted up and ready to go. So we will be doing that video here shortly. Have a great day. Bye.